Hello guys, I am from Gaugras, Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss question number 1, Roman 1, that has been taken from exercise 1.1. Class 8, Chapter 1, NCERT 8, Mathematics. Question has been taken from Chapter 1, Rational Numbers, NCERT 8th Mathematics. Question is, find -2/3 into 3/5 plus 5/2 minus 3/5 into 1/6. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that given that -2/3 multiplied to 3/5 plus 5/2 minus 3/5 multiplied to 1/6. Equal to, here you can see -2/3 multiplied to 3/5 -2/3 into 3/5, this is the first term, plus 5/2 is the second term, and minus 3/5 into 1/6 is the third term. So here you can see in the first term 3/5 is multiplied, and in the third term 3/5 is multiplied. So here I shall use commutative law in order to put first term and third term together. So here I shall write -2/3 into 3/5 minus 3/5 into 1/6 plus 5/2 by commutative law. About the commutative law, I have already discussed today itself on 5th March in video number 1, concept on rational numbers. Commutative law I have already explained therein. So here I shall write, here you can see in the first term 3/5 is multiplied, in second term 3/5 is multiplied. You can take 3/5 as a common easily. To take 3/5 as a common, multiplied, open here circular bracket. First term, from the first term I have taken 3/5 as a common. So here from the first term it will remain -2/3, and in the second term I have taken 3/5 as a common. It will remain only -1/6 plus 5/2 will be written. Here I shall write by distributive law. Distributive law. Distributive law means Vitar Niyam. Commutative law means क्रम विनिमय नियम. Commutative law means क्रम विनिमय नियम. Distributive law means वितरण नियम. So here I can write 3/5 multiply 2. By the rule of Badmash, the things given inside the bracket will be operated first. So here you can see 3 and 6 are there. To take LCM of 3 and 6. LCM means least common multiple. To take LCM of 3 and 6. LCM of 3 and 6 will be 6. And here you can see 3 is available. By what digit you should multiply to 3 as to get as 6. If you multiply 3 by 2, you can easily get 6. So if your denominator is multiplied by 2, the numerator also will multiply by 2. So minus 2 will multiply to 2 comes out to here. Minus 2 multiplied to 2 comes out to here minus 4. And here 6 is there, here 6 is there. It will become minus 1. Bracket close plus 5 by 2 equal to, I shall write here 3/5 multiply to minus 4 minus 1 comes out to here minus 5 over 6 plus 5 by 2, 5 over 2 comes out to be. So here you will get, here you can see you can, here multiplication sign is there. The numerator will multiply to numerator. 3 will multiply to minus 5. So here you can write 3 multiply to minus 5 whole over 5 will multiply to 6 plus 5 over 2 comes out to be just simplify this one. Multiplication sign is there. So 3 and 6 will be crossed out. Here you will get 2. Here 6 is there. Here 6 is there. So 6, 3 and 6 will multiply to here, you get to 2. And 5 will multiply to here, you will get here 1. So here you will get implied that minus 1. In numerator here 1 is there. Minus 1, here you will get minus 1. Minus 1 over 1 will multiply to 2 comes out to be 2 plus 5 over 2 comes out to be, take LCM as 2. Minus 1 plus 5 comes out to be, 5 minus 1 comes out to here 4 equal to 2. The answer you have got here 2. So here I shall write answer equal to 2. So here appropriate properties, commutative law and distributive law I have applied. By applying commutative law and distributive law, I have cracked down this question and got the correct answer as 2. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 1, Roman 1, that has been taken from exercise 1.1. Rational numbers, chapter 1, class 8, NCERT, mathematics. Okay.